Did you know that your skin is abused each day by poor environment as well as an unhealthy lifestyle? These factors cause premature skin aging. No one wants to look older than he or she truly is. It's time to take back your youthfulness and enhance the natural radiance of your skin. We are proud to introduce to you the best solution in the fight against aging, Physio Radiance. Activate your skin cells. Relying on the concept of physiology, Physio Radiance is an absolutely hypoallergenic, unisex, and high-end anti-aging skincare treatment that teaches your skin to self-regulate, self-regenerate, and self-repair. Instead of feeding your skin with artificial and short-lived compensation actives, Physio Radiance utilizes the body's own functions to stimulate your skin's natural rejuvenation. Years of extensive research and development at Laboratories Robert Schwartz in France have resulted in a select group of unique active ingredients that are contained in Replenish, an ultimate skin rejuvenation formula contained only in Physio Radiance. Negative hydrogen is the most powerful active ingredient in Physio Radiance. Known as the world's smallest antioxidant, negative hydrogen can effectively penetrate into deeper layers of skin. Other active ingredients include fucoidan for skin firmness, calcium, an excellent cell cohesion activator, Aquaxyl, moisturizing booster, Matrixyl 3000, collagen and elastin enhancer. Physio Radiance is totally free of potentially dangerous chemicals like parabens, which are found in most skincare products. These chemicals can cause allergic conditions, toxic reactions, or even cancer. What does a professional dermatologist say about Physio Radiance?
Since Physio Radiance has been formulated in order to reduce the risk of allergy and toxicity by avoiding preservatives and mainly paraben and other, and since it includes active principle which can be useful for the skin, I think that Physio Radiance is a good cosmetics for daily care for everybody.
What is so special about Physio Radiance is that it can retain the efficacy of negative hydrogen, while other cosmetic brands can't. Why? When negative hydrogen comes into contact with water, it becomes neutralized and thus negates its own effectiveness. The fact is that all skincare products contain water. Researched specifically for Physio Radiance, our innovative microencapsulation technology was scientifically invented to protect the negative hydrogen in small hydrophobic balls. When the pump is pressed, these hydrophobic balls are crushed. This means the negative hydrogen is released at the last moment right before application to the skin without degradation or neutralization. This is the key to the effectiveness and long-lasting results of Physio Radiance. Now, let's discover the ultimate beauty secrets behind Physio Radiance. Concept of self-regulation, self-regeneration, and self-repair. The highest hypoallergenic standard. Negative hydrogen, the world's smallest antioxidant. Top-end ingredients. A state-of-the-art airless bottle. Good manufacturing practices. Research developed and made in France. Are you ready to experience younger looking and more radiant skin? Simply apply the 4-step Physio Radiance routine every day to experience the best results. Comfort Emulsion Cleanser, Remineralizing Toner Lotion, Extreme Antioxidant Serum, Radiance Enhancer Day and Night Fluid. You will be amazed with the visible results on your skin after only just 4 weeks of treatment. Help your skin do what it was naturally designed to do. Physio Radiance. Activate your skin cells. Exclusively available from QNet.